1932, Billund, Denmark. A carpenter carves wooden ducks in a workshop that's already going under. Picture the aisle. Red boxes stacked to the ceiling. A kid dumping a bucket of bricks on the floor, snapping two together, building a spaceship out of nothing. Lego feels timeless, immune to the mess that killed Toys R Us. That is the story, and it is not entirely wrong. Here's what it leaves out. In 2003, Lego was losing over $1 million a day. It's not the brick that saved this company, it's the year it almost stopped making them. By 2004, Lego carried roughly $800 million in debt, chasing video games, clothing lines, theme parks, anything but the brick itself. So how did something this simple almost disappear? Ownership had chased Lego everything, while the core product quietly bled money under bloated, overcomplicated sets. New leadership did something almost embarrassing. They went back to counting bricks. The catalog had ballooned to nearly 12,000 unique shapes. They cut it hard and made every new set profitable before it shipped. The real money isn't the plastic, it's licensing. Star Wars, Harry Potter, Marvel, sets that turn a kid's toy into an adult's collectible. The brick cost pennies. The story on the box is what people pay for. Take Mattel, same era, same shelf. Mattel chased licensing deals and cost-cutting instead of rebuilding its core line. 3 CEOs, years of losses. Lego's revenue multiplied several times over from its 2004 low. Same customers. One company relearned what it sold. The other kept selling less of what worked. So the next time you step on a brick in the dark, you're not stepping on a toy. It's not a toy company. It's a licensing company that happens to manufacture its own inventory. One future, nostalgia doesn't own outright. The other, the same 8-stud brick, sold for 100 years running. A workshop in Billund almost closed twice. The second time, nobody was carving wood.